If you have an old concrete patio that looks dingy and old, you are probably considering adding a new wood deck over the top of your old concrete porch. There's a few considerations you need to think about before attempting to take on this renovation. First, you need to make sure your concrete porch is structurally sound. Some old porches have hairline cracks that contribute to the old dingy look of concrete, but they are still structurally sound. If you live in a climate that sees freezing temperatures, it can be a good idea to seal any cracks with a good concrete caulk to prevent water from seeping into the cracks, freezing, and creating structural damage. If your concrete porch is sloped away from your house and your water drains properly, you can usually put a wood deck over the top of your concrete porch, but there's a few things you should know first. You should not attach decking materials directly to the surface of the concrete porch. This would trap moisture underneath the deck boards, which would constantly be damp. This could lead to excessive mold, mildew, and early deterioration of the deck boards. Our standard hardwood decking has a lifespan of up to 75 years when installed properly. We recommend a minimum of 18 inches of airspace underneath our standard decking to allow the material to breathe properly on all sides of the deck boards. There is an easy method, however, to put a new wood deck directly over the top of your old concrete porch. Advantage hardwood deck tiles are made from South American hardwoods proven to last up to 75 years or more, and they click together for an easy install. They are one of the few products you can install directly over old concrete patios and porches. Most homeowners can cover their old concrete porch in one afternoon with the easy installation of Advantage deck tiles and deck tile connectors. They are available in a variety of beautiful species of woods that are up to 3 times harder than teak and offer very low maintenance. In addition, they are naturally slip resistant and naturally resistant to rot, decay, and wood-boring insects. Check out our inventory for hardwood decking and deck tiles at AdvantageLumber.com.